Hi and welcome. I am Dr. Danielle here at Vigevity.com with today's latest tip of obtaining power for life. Today, we're going to explore why I fell in love with digestive enzymes. Now, when I started learning about all the toxins I was putting into my body through years of processed food, I was horrified. I started to ask myself, how can I help my organs get rid of those toxins more efficiently? How can I help my gut to repair itself so that I don't have bloating and gas for the rest of time? The answer was not far away. The answer in part for me was digestive enzymes, especially in the beginning of my gut health journey. Now, how do digestive enzymes work? Our organs produce digestive enzymes, and different enzymes work on different foods. There are specific enzymes for starches and carbohydrates, proteins, and even fats. We can also access enzymes from external sources like raw fruits, vegetables, cold-pressed oils, and raw dairy. Yet when these foods are heated, the enzymes quickly denature, and our organs are forced to carry the whole load. This is stressful to our bodies and is a lot of work. Most humans have had access to a certain percentage of raw foods, but in the last 50 years, we've transitioned into a highly processed, cooked diet. By incorporating digestive enzyme supplements and eating more raw foods, I quickly went from bloated and uncomfortable most of the time to energized and light, giving my body exactly what it needed to break down and easily assimilate the food I was taking, and made all the difference in the world. Because when your body must pour all of its resources into breaking down the food you're eating, there's not much space left for it to do anything else. Digestive enzymes were a simple addition that helped me so much in the early repair stages. I think that they are a great solution to digestive issues. Now check out our powered enzymes at Vigevity.com, and if you are seriously interested in getting healthy, restoring your digestion, and boosting your energy, then check out my new comprehensive Power Gut program whilst you're there. In the program, you will get loads of delicious, satisfying recipes as well as strategies that will help you rebuild your intestinal flora. Thank you for watching, and remember to always put your health first. Please like, share, and subscribe to continue your quest for the power for life.